The rain taps soft on Mallacoota shore. Winter wraps around where the wild winds soar. A rainbow breaks through the gray of the day. Gratitude hums in the quiet's play. Oh, grateful rain, fall and set me free. Blessings and drops from the heart of the tree. Through the cold and the calm, I'm where I should be. Grateful rain, you're a gift to me. Pelicans glide o'er the river's bend. Becca's embrace where the peace won't end. Each shower a song, each cloud a friend. A life to cherish round every bend. The sun peeks out where dolphins once played. Green hills rise where my heart is swayed. Far from the noise in nature's hold. Gratitude warms as the story unfolds. No need to chase gold, no need to seek. The ark surrounds, complete and sleek. A circle in the sky, a rare embrace. The world's reflection in this place. Fall and set me free. Blessings and drops from the heart of the tree. Through the cold and the calm, I'm where I should be. Grateful rain, you're a gift to me. Dawn's first light to the evening's glow. This land's my haven, my heart's overflow. Each raindrop sings of a life well known. Gratitude roots where the wild winds moan. Oh, grateful rain, fall and set me free. Blessings and drops from the heart of the tree. Over the lake, a circle of light I see. Grateful rain,